Have you ever woken up one morning, looked in the mirror, and whispered to yourself, "Where did the time go?" You're past 30 now. The dreams you once had, some still haunt you at night, some you've forgotten completely. But here's the question: if life is truly short, then how should we spend what's left of it? Wisely, consciously, and spiritually awakened. In this video, you'll discover how Buddha's timeless teachings offer a sacred map for life after 30. Not just to survive, but to awaken. We will journey through past lives, dream secrets, karma, and consciousness, revealing the one truth that makes life deeply meaningful, even when half of it feels already gone. So sit back, breathe deeply, and let's begin a journey into your soul. The illusion of time and the after 30. Awakening. Most people believe that life ends slowly, but in reality, it ends suddenly. We spend our 20s chasing love, status, beauty, success. We believe we have time, but once you cross 30, something changes. You realize life isn't a straight road. It's a circle, repeating karmic loops, old dreams, and ancient lessons, echoing through each lifetime. In the Buddhist text, Samyutta Nikaya, Buddha said, "The world is on fire with aging and death, with sorrow and suffering, but the awakened one sees through the flame and walks the path of peace." So many people after 30 feel lost. You've worked hard, you've tried to be someone, yet something feels missing, a deep, quiet emptiness. That emptiness is not failure, it's the beginning of your awakening. The lie of productivity is the truth of presence. Modern society teaches us that to spend life wisely means to be productive, to be efficient, to hustle. But Buddha never said, "Work harder." He said, "Be mindful." Imagine this: a man spends 40 years building wealth, but not once did he look at the stars, hold his child's hand slowly, or hear the sound of his own breath. What has he really lived? Productivity isn't wisdom, presence is. Buddha sat beneath the Bodhi tree, not to achieve, but to see. He closed his eyes to this world and opened them to infinite others. When we turn 30 and beyond, we must ask, what am I racing toward? And what am I running from? The hidden messages in dreams after 30. Do your dreams change as you age? Yes, and here's why. Buddhist monks believe that your dream world reflects your karmic imprints. When you were younger, your dreams were wild, untamed, pure subconscious energy. But after 30, if you listen closely, dreams start whispering messages from your soul. Monk Ajahn Brahm once told a story of a man who kept dreaming of drowning in water. He felt helpless until a dream teacher told him, "You are not drowning in water. You are drowning in unexpressed purpose." From then on, he began meditating before bed, and each dream became a lesson, not fantasy, but a map. You see, dreams are not distractions. They are the hidden bardo between lifetimes. And if you pay attention, they will lead you home. The karma of wasted years and how to heal it. Many people over 30 feel guilt. I should have done more. I wasted time. I stayed in that relationship too long. But karma is not punishment. It is a teacher. The Buddha said, "With our thoughts, we make the world." What you think becomes your action becomes your habit, and your habit becomes your destiny. But here's the beautiful part. It's never too late to rewrite karma. Even if you've made mistakes, you can awaken now. Forgiveness is not forgetting. It is letting go of the weight you were never meant to carry. Spiritual awakening after 30, the sacred fire within. There's a Sanskrit word, tapas. It means spiritual heat, the inner fire that awakens you. Before 30, we burn with desire. After 30, we begin to burn with wisdom. Buddhist monks often describe this as the moment the soul begins to stir. You feel drawn to solitude, to silence. You crave truth instead of approval. You meditate longer. You breathe deeper. You seek not lovers, but the beloved within. This isn't aging, it's awakening. You're not losing your edge, you're finding your essence. Astral travel, deep meditation, and the truth beyond form. What lies beyond this world? Buddha once said that existence has many layers. Through deep meditation, many monks have crossed into the astral realm, a space between lifetimes, where souls travel without form. And in Tibetan Buddhism, the Bardo Thodol, Book of the Dead, describes how, during deep sleep or meditation, we leave our bodies and glimpse past lives, and sometimes even future ones. One monk recalled floating above his own body during meditation, seeing his younger self weeping alone in a dark room. He embraced that child, and when he returned, he said, "I healed my past life by loving it in this one." After 30, your access to these deeper states increases. You're no longer consumed by ego desires. You're ready to remember who you really are. Real life story. The man who awakened at 47. Let me tell you the story of Rajesh, a man who spent his life chasing success in Mumbai. He built companies, made money, lost love. By 47, he felt broken, divorced, tired, anxious. One day, he attended a silent Vipassana retreat. On day 6, during deep meditation, something cracked. He saw himself, not as a man, but as light. He saw his past lives. A monk, a soldier, a healer. He wept for hours. When he returned, he sold half his business and built a meditation center in the hills. He now teaches others. Life begins when you stop pretending to be who you're not. How to spend your life wisely after 30. Buddha's answer. So what does Buddha say about using this short life wisely? Live mindfully. Every moment is a miracle. Live as if you could die tonight, because you could. Release attachments. The more you cling, the more you suffer. Let go and float. Serve others. In helping others awaken, you purify your own soul. Meditate daily, not to escape life, but to enter it fully. Seek silence. In silence, your real voice returns. Follow your dharma. Your life has a purpose. Find it and give it away. Call to spiritual action. If you're over 30, your life is not ending. It's just beginning. In a higher dimension, you are not behind. You are being called to awaken, to forgive, to return to the eternal truth that Buddha saw under the Bodhi tree. This world is fleeting, but within you is the unchanging, the awakened, the divine. Close your eyes now. Take one deep breath and whisper to yourself, "I choose to awaken before this short life ends."